Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to go from 3 meals a day to 2 meals a day before starting the fasting protocol from 1 meal a day, OMAD, in 4 days. I will talk about my calories, weight, how many steps I take each day, and workouts, as well as my feeding schedules. Monday morning, 8 a.m. I'm ready to go for my walk, quick walk, but first I'm gonna take my measurements. Waist 29 inches. My starting weight is 64.9 kilos. We're ready for day 1 of our preparation of our 1 meal a day journey. So I started my day with a walk in nature, which is a great way to start any day, but really helps while fasting. Then I had a coffee, black, no sugar. I had another one, you know.
That's it. Nice deep breath in your nose, out your mouth. Feet up towards the ceiling. Squeeze the glutes back down. Get a stretch.
Then I prepared my first meal. All my meals, calories, nutrients, etc. are already accounted for, but if I add ingredients to a meal, I weigh them. I obviously won't show you every time I weigh an ingredient, as nobody got time or patience for that sort of thing, but simply keep this in mind when I give a calorie count. It isn't a guess or estimate, it is what the scale gave me always. I never count in portions or tablespoons or cups, but always in grams, as I need for my job to be as precise as possible. Again, my clients don't hire me for an estimated low-calorie meal. They hire me to make sure that I do the counting for them. And I am as thorough for myself as I am for them. It doesn't take more time, as I only prep once a week, and I count and weigh everything then, except when I add an ingredient like here. Okay, so it is, I don't even know now, after Spanish and French, 2:30 p.m. I'm gonna start my meal. It is, I'm not super hungry, I'm a little hungry, not super hungry, whatever. Here I have my fruits, so I have grapes, pineapple, and grapefruit for the vitamin C, and sunflower seeds for the vitamin E. Here I have my salad, white beans, red pepper for the vitamin A and C, and the tomato with good fats in the almonds. And then I have my dessert, muffin, chocolate chip muffin, and banana. I do not stop eating chocolate because I want to lose weight or because I'm going on some kind of 1 meal a day challenge or whatever. I never stop eating chocolate. I eat like this all the time. When I want to lose weight, I make sure that I'm in a calorie deficit. That's all. There is no other way to lose weight for me anyway. I don't know if you're magic, but me, I am not that magic. I need to reach some kind of caloric deficit to lose weight. So I didn't drink a lot of water. I only drank like 750 milliliter, only 1 bottle, and it's 2:30 p.m. Usually I have 2 bottles already, but I was so busy today with videos and everything, though, a lot of work. And yeah, now I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna show you what I mean by chewing slowly, eating slowly. So I hope you understand how important that is in the journey, because like chewing too quick is a big problem in one OMAD. You will see it, you will feel it, you will understand 100% what I mean the first time you eat your first meal on a OMAD journey. So the beauty of meal prep, you open the containers, you heat it up, you serve, and that's it. Voila! This took me about 2 minutes to put together. And obviously I'm leaving a little spot for dessert. I will have ice cream, so I'm not gonna serve it now because, well, you know, it's gonna melt. So that's what it looks like. Here we have zucchinis and potatoes and a coconut cream sauce. I kind of mixed them together when I was heating them up. This is the soup with a little bit of Madagascar pepper and salt on top, and the salmon with garlic inserts. So I'm gonna go enjoy my meal, and I will show you dessert later. So I love that brand. This is ice cream. It's soy based. I get a little espresso just to have a smaller portion. You can obviously pour it in a bowl, but this is a good way to just learn without having to weigh everything. So 39 grams, that's not a lot. That's a few bites. And yeah, I have loads for this week. Love this ice cream. If you can find it, I think it's one of the nicest vegan ice cream that exists on the market. Total calorie for Monday, 1,130 calories, very good, and also good intake of vitamins and minerals. Overall, I walked a total of 15,239 steps, which is pretty good. All my meals for the day cost me a total of $5.65. Tuesday morning, good morning. Now let's see how much I lost since yesterday. I had a little bit of an insomnia. I slept about 6 hours, which is not great, but let's take a look at the weight. So just so you know, guys, the scale is on the ground right next to where I am standing at the moment. 64.4 kilos. So it means that I lost about 500 grams, which is a pound. Pound of water, that's normal. Then I went for a lovely walk. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is 21st, September 21st, so Tuesday. It's day 2 of my preparation to transition to 1 meal a day. And it is 12:15. I have not eaten yet. I have had 2 of them. Actually, I've had 3 espressos. And I went for a walk this morning. I did not work out. So this is what I'm going to say. I am hungrier than I was yesterday at this time, which is normal because yesterday, so last night, I actually had an earlier meal and I ate very little. I ate like 1,130 calories, which is not a lot. So today I'm going to eat more and I'm going to eat earlier, but I'm going to stop earlier as well. So I'm reducing my window of eating. The thing that I forgot to say yesterday is that before you do your transition, before you start prepping, it's important to choose which window you will be eating during the day. So for example, me, I choose to eat lunch. I choose to eat a late lunch, like around 1 or 2 p.m. Every day. So every day I'm going to eat from 1 to 2. And then from 2 to 1 the day after, I'm going to be fasting. So that preparation is different, for example, than if I wanted to fast at night, eat at night and then fast all night long and then all day long until say 5 or 6 p.m. Because I have to work on 2 times of the day that I can't eat, so the morning and at night. So if you want to eat later, then you'll have to push every hour during the day until you reach 5 p.m., for example. Anyways, I'm not going to get into too many details, but I just want to say that yes, I'm a little hungrier. Nothing crazy. I have not drank more than 1 bottle and it is 12, so I'm going to do that before I have my first meal. So I want to have at least 1.5 liter of water before I have my first meal. Other than that, I'm going to show the meals that I prepared today. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, the meals are going to be repeating themselves. So same as Monday, I'm going to eat it Wednesday, and same as Tuesday, I'm going to eat it on Thursday. So I'm going to be a lot quicker on the meals. But that's what I'm going to do today. So reduce my eating window. I'm probably going to eat, if it is 12:17 now, let's say 1 p.m. Okay, I eat at 1 p.m. 1 to 5, 4-hour eating window. Tomorrow, 1 to 4. After tomorrow, 1 to 3. Let's do this. So this is how I broke my fast at 1:15 p.m. I got cold, so I made a little hot chocolate, the edamame and black bean, tomato, Dijon mustard salad, a bowl of fruit with sunflower seeds and crushed chia seeds with pineapple, grapefruit, grapes. So you have the grapefruit kind of under, you have to dig for it. And then my muffin, a slice of bread with peanut butter. Meal number 2. So we have the soup, the same carrot soup, ginger, potato soup as yesterday, an eggplant, tomato, tofu curry with basmati rice and an empty spot for the future dessert. The future dessert being the same chocolate cream as yesterday, to which I added 2 squares of dark chocolate. Let's take a look at the total cost of today's meals. So today was a total of $5.17. Total calories 1,368 calories. Good minerals. Okay, vitamins. So total steps for today is 13,857. That's not too bad. Good morning. So my weight is 64.3.
So take your time, core tight. Pull the dumbbell up right by your hip. That's it, nice and low, abs tight, chest up. And push out, nice. That's it towards the chest. Control it, come on back, nice and easy, slow.
So first meal, I added an apple with peanut butter and added romaine lettuce to my salad with crushed chia seeds for the vitamin K. Then made an Asian dressing with mustard, sesame oil, rice vinegar, maple syrup, and soy sauce. 2 slices of bread with peanut butter again, and my chocolate chip muffin. A hot chocolate. The meal number 2. Here you have the zucchini and the potatoes in the coconut milk sauce with the same soup with Madagascar pepper and the salmon with garlic inserts. And ice cream again. 50 squares of chocolate, of course. And for Wednesday, a total of 1,414 calories, good micronutrient intake. So I walked absolutely no steps. I didn't get out of the house today. And good morning. My weight this morning is 64.7. It's higher than yesterday.
So this morning when I weighed myself, I was like a pound, 400 or 500 grams more than yesterday. What could have happened? That's interesting. Let's see what could have happened.
2 hours later, after my walk, I changed back into the same outfit and magically the weight had disappeared.
Don't worry.
Plot twist. I did not gain any weight this morning. I didn't gain weight overnight. I didn't gain a pound overnight. I simply went to the toilet between 2 weigh-ins. So I weighed myself in the morning upon awakening, and then I went for a walk. When I came back, I was like, hey, why not put on the same outfit again and show, because I'm sure I lost weight while I was walking, because I moved, and your weight will fluctuate every hour. And so if you don't understand weight fluctuations and then you weigh yourself in the morning and then you're disappointed because it's higher than the day before and you did everything you needed to do to lose weight the day before, and you're affected by this, don't weigh yourself every day. But if you understand that it's just a data point like another one, and you're not really struck on the actual number and you can go on with your life and just forget about it a second after it happened, then you can weight yourself whenever you want. But please don't, like I showed you, I weighed myself at 7 in the morning and then at 9:30 I decided to change again in the same outfit that I use in the morning, and then boom, look, I had lost like 400 grams. My pound that I had gained overnight was lost. So you see, it's so important that we understand that. That is like, you never know when you're going to actually gain weight, lose weight, and if it affects you, I've worked in this industry for so long and I've seen so many, people just be very bummed by, oh, this morning, I was a pound heavier. You cannot eat a surplus of 3,500 calories in a day. It's a lot of calories, it's really a lot. And that's what it takes to gain 1 pound. So anyways, so today is the last day. It's Thursday. Obviously I'm fasted. And what time is it now? Yeah, almost 11. I have not had anything else than my bottle of water, just one, that's okay. I had one coffee, and I'll have another one. I'll have another bottle of water, probably eat around 2 p.m. Last night I finished my soup because today the eating window will be 2 hours, which is not a lot. So I'm not going to be super hungry by the time it's the second meal. So I'm going to eat just the tofu curry and dessert, but no soup, no bread, nothing else, because let's just say that today I could start eating just once a day and I'd be fine with it. But yeah, so last day, tomorrow is my first day of OMAD, and it'll be Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's going to be very interesting. I'm going to do a prep for the weekend, so a fun prep. Not that the week is not fun, but I like to separate my week and my weekend, to have more party food on the weekend and regular food on the week, because I'm like that. Monday to Friday work, Saturday, Sunday party. That comes from school, guys. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.
So first meal of the day, I added olives to the salad, my last muffin, a slice of bread with peanut butter, banana, grapefruit, and sesame seeds. The last meal, tofu curry with basmati rice. The soup, the curry, rice, and obviously a little space for dessert. Finally, another hot chocolate to end the day after dessert. So after ice cream, I had hot chocolate. Yeah, it's a bit weird, but whatever. And I walked a good bit, 15,248 steps. And finally, for Thursday, the total calorie is 1111. If you know, you know. Now let's check out the last weigh-in. So this is the last day, 64.6 kilos. So that's a really good weight loss of 300 grams total in 4 days.
Day one. Oh.
Okay, ready to start OMAD, so see you in the next video. I hope this video helped you understand how to transition to OMAD. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.